Chop chop. Moisturize. Stop sticking your butt out of him. It looks like you keep doing it. That's what it looks like you keep doing. Stop recording me.
I was about to say, my camera was like,
in the middle of that because you were about to start and then you just went off.
I know, so I have that on camera.
So, it's there.
Will he stand up and like stand still if I'm not like swaying, like doing hair? Like I'm okay with it if I'm like standing still.
I can't stand still. It feels weird.
It does. It's like a lot of pressure. And I move so heavy.
So, let me see you.
Remember I told you that our God is going to start out with what degree?
90.
How do you know? This is the creator right here. Like when you pull the hair out and set the comb on the head where it's at, it creates a right.
My video can't hear you.
Just kidding.
So the first thing I was saying is that we want to start with a 90-degree haircut. We're going to start in the back of this middle section at the front. We're going to take off right about an inch. And just remember, parallel to your parting, parallel to your cutting line, parallel back. Okay? You will take a portion of that cut. Because I can always just come up a little bit more. You need to have a little bit of what you just cut. And then, I'm sorry.
Sorry, I thought you were gonna let us finish your sentence to follow.
And follow. Now this needs to be a 90-degree all the way, so you can check your 90-degree by placing the spine of the comb on the part to see the direction of the teeth, and that's the direction that your hair needs to be in. Does that make sense? You cannot be like this. This is not a 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle. I will repeat that. You cannot comb the hair straight up like this, because this is not a 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle. So, here's the spine on the parting. My hair is in the direction, is going in the direction of the teeth. This is not in the direction of the teeth. Do you see that? That's how I know that's a 90-degree angle. So I do expect you to take your time and check that before you cut it. Your cutting line needs to be the same as your parting. Everything needs to be parallel. See how I move? And I'm keeping my guide where my second knuckle is. Can you see my guide?
Mm-hmm.
You can see my guide?
No, I didn't want what?
No, you cannot see my guide.
No.
It's stuck in my fingers. We don't, do not. I don't teach that. Other educators do. I do not. I always keep the guide out so that I can see where I need to cut on top of it and move forward. Take notes. As I pull this hair out straight from the head, what does it look like to you? A unicorn horn. Damn it, you was right on the money with that. I want you to take note to that because this is the proper angle in which you need to pull it out. Make sure that right here your fingers are not going up like this because you're going to cut it long and it's not going to be the same measurement. It needs to be your fingers. Notice I always comb from the bottom. I take my fingers behind my comb and I pull straight out right there. And if anything, check your cutting line. Cut parallel. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
That is a detrimental part. The point is that whatever this measures out to be should be what this measures out to be on a 90-degree angle. All right. That is the first thing you guys are going to go do. Go do it. I'm giving